Is your browser running slow? In this video, I'll show you simple steps to speed up your browser and improve its performance without the need for any extra software. First, open your browser and go to the settings. Under Privacy, select Clear Browsing Data. Make sure to check cookies and cached images and files, then click Clear Data. Next, open the Extensions menu in your browser. If you're using extensions that you don't need, disable or remove them. This will help improve your browser's performance. If you can't find this option, here is the solution. In browsers like Chrome, go to the Advanced Settings and look for Use Hardware Acceleration when available. Make sure it's enabled. This feature helps speed up page loading. Lastly, turn off unnecessary notifications in the browser, such as pop-ups or alerts that may slow things down. Go to Notification Settings and disable what you don't need. With these simple steps, your browser is now faster and more efficient. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips.